Hello, my name is Ben MacEachern, and I'm on a team with Jason Nieuwhof, Omar Shaker, and Ben McQuaid, and we're working with the Elmira Railway Museum to create a modern Sheffield handrail car, which is a traditional form of railway transportation.
Some of the modern features that are included in our design include fender covers to prevent passengers from falling between or stepping on the wheels while in motion. We also included railings to stop people falling backwards off of the handcar. These railings can be removed to make the transportation of the handcar easier.
To stop the handcar is equipped with a dual independent braking system, constructed from mechanical brake calipers and cast iron discs. The brakes are actuated by levers mounted on the handlebars. We also decided to split the wheel shafts in order to make alignment easier and to make replacing the brake pads and/or sprockets more accessible.
As one of the requirements was to limit the speed of the handcar to 4 km per hour, the handcar utilizes a series of chains and sprockets to create a 4:1 gear ratio. A jackshaft was introduced into the design to reduce the size of the sprocket underneath the wooden deck while retaining the desired gear ratio, and it will also allow the ratio to be updated in the future if necessary.